A 2-on-1 handicap match is underway. No rest for the superstar facing off against the numbers game.
If I had $1 million and could make any kind of match, it would be this. Two opponents at the same time, man.
No count out as she takes this fight to the floor.
Double underhook, butterfly applied. Beautiful suplex, but not done yet.
Still going. Another one.
Going for a trifecta. Getting back into the ring. Taking it to the floor. What's she gonna do? Suplex.
Oh, my goodness. Putting the boots to an opponent will take the fight out of them in a hurry. Down they go.
Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything. Absolute dominance.
She's in the ring now.
Destructive arm breaker.
And that damage to the shoulder could be an ongoing factor now. It might limit range of motion in the entire arm.
And a backbreaker.
It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just got to toss another person and make a statement.
Given the no disqualification modifier on this match, Corey, what kind of tactics should you expect to see here?
Ruthless tactics, Cole. Now's the time for these superstars to unleash their pent-up aggression and be as violent as they want. There's nothing the ref can do about it, so they should go all out.
Suplex.
She's got an answer for that. Paying it right back with a reversal.
Continuing to work on their opponent's arm.
Throwing it into an arm breaker.
Can she do it here? And there's the breakup. Now, Byron, what's up?
Oh, we are about to find out. Oh, my goodness. It's a torture rack.
Submission up top high, but look at the well-placed elbows will force the counter and a great break. She's pushed into the corner.
Ooh, forearm connects.
Oh, man! Intercepted the attack with a kick to the face.
A sit-out mat slam. What impact? Oh, man. She's showing signs of slowing now.
Not sure if I'd panic, but certainly some cause for concern here.
Slam! She's rummaging around under the ring here.
The ladder. Things are about to get very interesting and dangerous.
That was the most dangerous position for any competitor to ever be in. You gotta hope there's no irreparable damage done.
Up on the turnbuckle now.
From the rope for the shoulder breaker.
Sent out of the ring, not sure she wants to be here. And this one might be headed ringside. Wow, what a pump kick. And she is rapidly dictating the pace.
She is exposing all the cracks in her competition's game. Here's the Cobra Clutch. Cobra Clutch. Locked in. And a backbreaker.
She's taking this outside. This one cannot be lost by countout. Into the ring again. Forearm to the face.
Oh, nothing fancy about that.
Oh! She slips outside. What has she got in mind? Ooh, she responds with a counter. And it looks like she wants to take this match outside.
Into the STO.
She's feeling the hurt here. Taking this to the floor. Chop block. Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee.
She's looking highly motivated, getting hyped up. Look at the top. What?
For the win. Shoulder shoots up before two.
Not even letting the ref get to the 2 count.
This is likely going to have adverse effects on her. She's only aggravating her competition at this point.
Oh, look at this. I don't want to be part of these problems. Don't want to be part of this problem.
Uh-oh, positioning her opponent on the announce desk.
Mounting a downed opponent. Look at them go. Over and over and over again.
Drops the hammer right on the lower back.
Fighting back with a counter. And that was an effective attack, guys. I don't know what they're looking for here.
A steel chair? Something we all know can be a devastating weapon.
This is likely going to happen. Will this be enough? She kicks out with force.
Obviously still has some fight left.
And now she's getting back into the ring. She's getting herself in the zone, but she shouldn't hesitate much longer. Oh, colliding with a barricade. And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with. Ooh. To stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise.
Pump kick. And more hits up there can leave you dazed.
Forearm to the face.
Oh, nothing fancy about that.
You can't take much more of this.
This has just been an absolute massacre.
Boom! And a big boot.
Delivered into the barricade.
Made her pay for her mistake. Back into the ring.
She's got the whole WWE Universe rallying behind her.
Oh! She's taking things to ringside.
Oh, she got out of there.
Oh, that brings a rush of blood to the head.
Telling her opponent that she has even more left in her tank. Here it comes!
Choke slam! She's got it. Got her shoulders down. No! Kick out at two.
Somehow she's still in this matchup. It's unbelievable. Feeling the WWE Universe on another level. This is her fuel.
We are beginning to reach a point of desperation in this match.
These athletes' bodies can only take them so far. You have to imagine they're reaching their breaking point.
Oh!
Turns it around. Sole of the foot meets the stomach. She will wisely return to the ring now.
Oh, look at this!
I'm so glad I put money on her tonight.
Oh, she kicked out.
I do not know how you survived that.
Staying alive there is unheard of.
That was a great opportunity to put this one away, but it slipped right through her fingers. No telling what she'll find under the ring here.
Well, she definitely wants to hurt her competition as much as possible, if the table's any indication.
Followed by a stop.
She now has gotten herself into a distressing spot.
Yeah, she's being met with a roadblock every time.
Setting them up.
Arm is trapped.
Pump handle. Slam.
So take things into the ring.
She's taking this outside. This one cannot be lost by countout. Expected that one. This one is headed outside, guys. Pump kick. She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems. You can tell a fire has been lit inside of her.
Yeah, she just continues to unload on her opponent.
This place has come unglued.
Rightfully so. And what's she gonna do with this table?
Set up a buffet. What do you think she's gonna do, Saxton?
Taking this one back to the ring now. Oh, impressive counter.
That could be the spark she was looking for.
Oh, man. Goes down low. And DDT.
It's all over but the counting.
Looking for the victory. 2, 1. A kick out. I don't believe it. How did that not end things for her?
She's showing incredible resiliency.
But if we see one more devastating move again, this can be over soon.
Swinging the elbow to halt the offense.
I don't know who's feeling this more, her or the crowd.
With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring. Tagging this outside.
This could be good.
Kick to the midsection. Hoisted up. Disorienting spinning.
Revolution's in. A spinning powerbomb.
This one is all over.
That's gotta be it.
There's 2. No, she's still alive.
I do not know how they got up from that.
Operating on pure instinct and adrenaline right now.
Can't put this one away even after that big maneuver. There's not a single person sitting in this arena.
It's pandemonium, Cole.
Uh-oh. We're gonna see it. Right to the back of the neck. She did her homework there.
Impressive reversal there. Enabled to counter.
Check this out, guys. Double underhook coming.
Iron's gonna love this. Kick out. She still has life.
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal.
Taking it to the floor. What's she gonna do? To the outside.
This could get wild.
Face first off the post. Oh, quite an effective counter. Setting foot in the ring now. And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with. Is it enough? The cover!
She's pumping herself up, reaching out for that burst of energy.
What's she waiting for? She's looking more focused on gesturing rather than winning.
Top rope, here we go.
From the top. Good Lord. Taken.
Into the cover. She breaks the ref's count.
She is still in this fight.
Stops the kick. Uh-oh, this is going to be nasty. There's the power into the...
Driven down with a jackhammer.
Now's the time to capitalize.
She re-enters the ring now.
Oh, yeah, she is really getting fired up.
Chop block. Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee.
Listen to this place. It's unreal.
The decibel level in here right now is breaking glass. These fans are on fire. Oh, nice deep arm drag.
Wow, what a pump kick. Interesting. There's the... Whoa, didn't expect to see that. And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this? Climbs back inside. Into the corner now. And a big move. Oh, man. She has to figure something out for this.
Yeah, now she has to turn this momentum around.
Oh, catches a kick to the face. She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
Counters.
Yeah, she's able to momentarily stop the bleeding, but will she also gain command of this match?
Tosses their opponent down, middle rope clutch.
Momentum is shifted to her corner.
She's reading everything her opponent is trying to throw at her.
And back into the ring she goes. She had it scouted.
Coming in hot.
She heads out of the ring.
Interesting strategy.
Taking it outside the ring now. Hop kick. She's getting herself in the zone, but she shouldn't hesitate much longer. Countered it just in time. And she's stunned in the corner. Fading away from her.
Yeah, she needs to revise her methods quickly.
No count out as she takes this fight to the floor. Returning to the ring now. She's taking things to ringside. Heads out of the ring. What's next? With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring.
Oh, and that buys some time. And she is feeling the electricity from the crowd now.
Oh, look at this. Hair slam. She seems to have gained the advantage here.
Yeah, she's riding roughshod over her.
Oh. No count out as she takes this fight to the floor. All right, back to it. Returning to the ring. Put into the corner now.
This is their opponent down. Middle rope clutch.
Again, the torso is punished.
The core of the entire anatomy could dramatically slow your movement down. Oh, looks like it's time for a little demolition.
Oh, no, 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 no. No way.
Yes way.
See ya. Definitely wouldn't want to be ya.
Here we are. The competition has been eliminated. And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle. Oh, my God. Through the air. And connects.
Big time risk pays off.
The daredevil in you comes out when you take risks like that.
She kicked out. How the hell did she kick out?
Somebody pinch me. I got to be dreaming. There's no way she's still in this match.
All the way up. Oh, no. Good night.
The Dude Buster. For some reason, she lets it go.
She might have something else planned here. She's rising back up on those wobbly legs. Check out this power, ladies and gentlemen. Up and jackhammer. Leave the night light on for her, because this is over.
And a final elimination. This one's over.
The Falls Count Anywhere matches never disappoint, but this one might go down in the annals of the WWE as one of the best ever.
Here is your winner, the Wonder Woman.
And what an uphill battle it was to outlast every other superstar in this match.
Yeah, what a match. I can only imagine how they must feel right now.
Yeah, a certain amount of pride has to come with surviving elimination matches.